All right, welcome back, my dear students. So it's time for us to jump in and create. And you're gonna be in the root directory, right? All the way in the root directory where you can access everything in your computer. So I want to access XAMPP htdocs folder because that's where our project is going to be located in this lectures. All right. Now maybe later on we'll use some other advanced tools and do this with virtual. XAMPP and htdocs, and that's it. And we do ls here, we see that it's empty. So now let's use Composer to create a new project. Let's clear this. So clear, enter. All right, make this a little bigger there. There we go. Now let's create a project. So we're gonna say Composer, that's the first command, and then this should be exactly like I'm typing it right here. So create project, and then the name of the vendor, package, vendor and package, Laravel, and then the name of that folder that you want your project to be in. All right. So why don't we call this CMS? Just for the heck of it. All right. CMS, and we can delete this later on. It really doesn't matter. Now, if you type in, if you leave this like this is going to download the latest Laravel version. All right. You can type enter and you're good to go. Now, if well, you can do this as well, preferred distro. All right, that would be the latest preferred distribution. Now if you want to, what you can do is you can type in the version number of the version of Laravel that you want to use. In my case, we are up to 5.2. Now if you are in the future and the version is 7.2, I'm gonna tell you right now that this project will always be updating. All right, so at the end of the project, at the end of this project, you're gonna see some updated sections that are gonna say, okay, what's new on Laravel 5.3, what's new on Laravel 5.4 or 6.0 or 7.0, and then we're gonna keep updating this as time goes, because I'm gonna make this project like a general project where you can come in and find out what's new on Laravel. All right. Not only are you gonna find out the foundation from the beginning, but you're also all right, that says create a project in CMS and it says loading. All right, you're good to go. It's gonna keep installing, and I'm gonna pause it, and when it finishes I'm gonna come back to you. Okay. All right, so my finish installing this, it took like a minute. So if you got this far, very good job. You're doing very good. And I'll see you in the next lecture. Perfect. Take care.